This car discs already have thickness, so we skim once time, so it can use. So now very nice. That time there was there was the inside something spoiled, so we skim again, so it can use very nice. We bought it, and we're going to change the brake pad, the rear side. So before brake pad rear side, there have a work manual and auto. So automatic, you can use the scanner, this motor moving reverse, and this one put back after complete. So again with the scanner, the after replacement brake pad, so the motor will come the feet. That's the point, that's the job.